Okay, team, here we go. This is break number 2 of the day, hopefully getting to 4. We'll take a break after this one, see where we are on the other 2. This is Gold Rush Lightning. This is a buyback product, Steel City buyback product. These have been good, pretty solid. So this is 2 boxes. This is our 3rd. So it's a case of 10. So this is boxes 5 and 6. So we have 2 more that we can do in this format. Pick one team, get 2 random. Good luck. We have 1 spot in the break. That feels like a BGS slab, a Beckett slab. That one feels like one too. A Beckett slab. All right, good luck, everyone. Oh, to the A's. That is a 1986 Fleer update. Jose Canseco rookie auto. Slabbed authentic by Beckett. That's Mark Wall. Congrats, man. It's kind of a cool one. And the second one is a Beckett 10 on the auto. It's some Bowman card to the Mariners. Also Mark. That's a claim for you. So Kyle Lewis, who kind of fell off hard, but 2016 Bowman draft Kyle Lewis. It's a Bowman first paper signed in teal with a January 6th, is it 16 golden spikes? Maybe it's supposed to be 16 golden spikes. It looks like 1/6, but I think he was the 20. Oh, it's an apostrophe. Apostrophe 1/6. So 2016 golden spikes award winner inscription. That's pretty cool. All right, so Mark Wall, you have them both. You've been very lucky on these. Congrats, man. All right, so Canseco and Kyle Lewis. All right, guys, that's it for now. I'll post and let you guys know when Bowman and or Leaf Sports Heroes is going to run. Thanks, guys. See you in a bit.